my sense is that these kinds of Gen AI tools and things are only becoming more important, and Michigan's kind of leading the way with those, and it seemed like a smart thing to try to be in on it, maybe not from the ground floor, but fairly early on to try to understand what the possibilities and limitations were. One student who was a great student in the class and was in office hours, I think the day that I announced this or released it, and he was playing with it in the office hours, and he was blown away. He said something like, "This is the best learning tool I have ever interacted with." And it was really nothing, it was all the same material he already had, but it was just presented in a synthetic, useful way that he found very intuitive to interact with. And so the students that were using it really seemed to value it. What was just so clear is Michigan is just leaning into this in a way that I haven't heard any other higher institution of higher learning leaning into it. And when I talk to colleagues and friends at other institutions, they're blown away, and it seems by what Michigan is doing and how actively engaged they are, and how Michigan is creating their own or our own tools that don't exist anywhere else. And I think that's really great. And one of the other things I really value about the way Michigan is approaching this is the concern for things like inclusivity and privacy and accessibility.